Kwame, software developer at ChainSafe, work on web3.unity. What we've done is we've taken the pain out of building all the foundation, set of plugins, prefabs, drag and drop it into your game, and then right out of the box, you have Web3 functionality. There are a ton of tools out there. People use us because with all these tools, you still have to build this layer of having it work with a game. We have the mind share, we've worked on it the longest, and we've made it the simplest for someone who's really new to it to be able just to get going with it. Started in the early 2000s. I read a book called The Dark Art of Java Game Programming. There was something called J2ME, which was making mobile games. And I worked at a place called Jammed App Mobile. It got acquired by EA. My whole career has basically been making games. Yeah, I remember when I got into mobile games, all my friends were like, that's silly. No one's going to want to play a game on a mobile phone. Granted that at the time, the mobile phone games were really limited, brick breaker type clones, match three game mechanics like Bejeweled. And now, like, look at mobile games today. If there's resistance against something, just from my experience, it's probably something that I should be paying more attention to. It's not that it's not a great idea, it's just that we're really early. That ownership of a non-fungible avatar that's a game character that you play and you see its stats on chain and you have that connection to that character and it's yours. Being able to trade these assets on chain are going to be the things that are going to bring people in, and a game company for whatever reason shuts down their servers. That's the compelling part. You get to keep that. The game may be gone, but the assets you get to keep and you get to tell that story and you can transfer that to your kids for all history. Like Grandpa Tim killed a dragon. But with the blockchain, we do have that ownership and self-sovereignty.